Today let's do the famous chili chicken. Okay, very famous in Bangalore and Mysore. In Bangalore I remember the restaurant Nagarjun, and in Mysore it was RR. A simple way, simple method, just follow exactly how I show you and don't change. You will relish the taste. I've got a kilo of chicken with bone, okay, cut into cubes. It's a kilo. I've got spicy green chilies, 17 of them. I'm going to slit them into two, each one into two. Around teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. I've got Maida or flour, okay, plain flour. It's around a tablespoon just to thicken the curry. And I've got beautiful vinegar as well as cooking oil. That's it, and let's do the beautiful chili chicken. I've slit the 17 green chilies, and now we will marinate the chicken with these beautiful ingredients. Just let's put it here and mix it all together. Nice tablespoon of vinegar. Okay, that's it. All right, famous dish of Andhra Pradesh or Hyderabad. So let's all mix this well together, okay? And then we'll marinate it for say half an hour. So I've heated up a nice cooking pot and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil, okay? And it comes to good heat, okay? Let it be on a high flame. Let's throw in the chili. Oil is hot and let's throw in the 17 green chilies. Okay? Make sure you shut the pot. There you go. Time now to throw in the careful to throw in the chicken. Okay. Add some water in here. Okay. Stir. Okay. And reduce the flame to medium. Okay. Once you give a good stir, we close the lid for say around 5 minutes. I just added a 1/4 cup of water to this flour and just kept it ready. And let me check how the chicken is going. Oh, there you go. That's pretty good, eh? So what we will do is we will add our water. Add the leftover. There we go. Add our water, and we will cook for say around 25 minutes on a low-medium flame. Time to time. That's good. Many of my friends were asking me, how do you make Andhra Chillie Chicken? There you go. Andhra Chillie Chicken. Let's have a peep in there. Oh, looking good, looking good. This is in, say, 15 minutes. That's what I am. But I feel I need a bit of water. I'll add half a cup of water. Okay. So my chicken is ready, almost 25 minutes. Time for me to add a bit of water because looks like it's gone low. Okay. I'll give it just 2 minutes and then we will add the flour to thicken it. Flour, okay, or Maida, just to thicken it. Okay. Be careful. Be careful. You need to keep stirring it a bit, otherwise it will form kind of thick blocks, or so do your final tasting. I added a half teaspoon of salt. Everything is perfect, eh? Mama. Chili chicken, the Pais style. So chop coriander leaves on top at the end, but this is optional. Chili chicken, Pais style. Voila. Whew. Man, this is going to be delicious. Cheers, guys. I will now serve it in a plate, and let's enjoy this chili chicken Pais style. Let me now serve the chili chicken Pais style. Oh my God. Voila. This time I'm using a ladle. Oh my God. Chili chicken Pais style. Guys, try this. You will never ever forget this dish. Goes very well with some beautiful basmati rice. That's it. Oh my God, chili chicken, the Pais style. Delicious and famous in Mysore, Bangalore, and it's a famous famous Andhra Pradesh dish. Oh my God. Whew. That's beautiful, eh? With the lovely sauce. OMG. Cheers, guys. You have to try this, please. Okay? Enjoy. Voila. Beautiful, eh?